Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Complete UI Assembly part number 242058249. The Frigidaire Complete UI Assembly part number 242058249 is a complete user interface assembly for Frigidaire refrigerators. This part includes the control panel, temperature display, and other components that allow you to control the temperature and settings of your refrigerator. It also includes the light switch, water filter indicator, and ice maker switch. This part is designed to replace any existing user interface assembly in your Frigidaire refrigerator. It is easy to install and comes with detailed instructions for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning user interface assembly on a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can fix issues such as the display not working, buttons not responding, or the refrigerator not cooling properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the old user interface assembly by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Install the new Frigidaire Complete UI Assembly part number 242058249 by aligning it with the mounting holes and securing it with the screws provided. 4. Plug in the refrigerator and test to make sure that all of the functions are working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.